One trade. Hey!
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Hey! Wagwan, my people, on the whole nation. Yeah? So, welcome back to the Heistfx Academy. This week has had a whole bunch of hell over time, but I'm about to make it interesting in just 15 minutes. Yeah, so before we jump into the video, them I call me Dinox Sunji Khalifa, Tamaramara, Govika Shiameko Junior Panditing, Chief Inspector, bro. Hey, master on the place, you know. So before we jump in the video, make sure you first subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time me about to drop a new video on the Heistmasters. And as an Heistmaster, don't forget to also comment on the comment section and give your view, or you can everybody grows by learning each and every time. Yeah, so sometimes I can make mistake, and if you think you know how I'm supposed to do it in the right way, don't be afraid to also comment there and tell me, yeah, the baddest mana global, I think it will be wise of you if you follow this way and this way, so that you can as well improve, because nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes, and that is why we always document all what we do, so that we can keep watch of the growth curve and learn from the mistake that we usually take on the market. Yeah, so today there's no electricity on the whole nation, so that is why I'm outside here, and there's no sun as well. What a day, but it is a beautiful morning. Yeah, there's birds around, them making chant songs and everything else. Gonna be hotter than lava. Yeah, so I'm about to go in the house, and I take my smaller laptop, take the Heistmasters to a smaller, I think on the gate side there we have a smaller, is it a restaurant or a smaller like hotel or resort, and then if I get a beautiful place outside there to sit and do my market breakdown, then I'm going to share exactly what went down on this week. Yeah, remember today is on Friday, and we have NFP coming at 3, so that is why. And I usually trade on a London or New York session, because now there'll be news today. I'm expecting high impact news. Them, if you understand, I usually trade. I'm not interested with the opportunities that the market is going to offer. Yeah, I don't usually trade when there's high impact news. Yeah, so as you are going, as you are keeping subscribing, don't forget to like, and as you are ready to jump into the charts, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and of course watch other videos. Yeah, fun the thing. So let me put for you the baddest song. We are the Heistmasters. We don't give a what you say. We do the shit our way, how we know best. Come with me, the Heistmasters. Fun the thing.
'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. 'Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. The motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. 'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. 'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So now we have come to this place, and I want to jump into the charts and explain what I wanted to trade this week. Yeah. Now straight to the chart without wasting much time. So this is a AUD card, Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar that I was looking to trade this week, and I think this setup I already shared it on my Telegram channel for the Heistmasters there. So in a nutshell, or in a quick, when you just open your eyes in without reading much information in the market, what you can see, the market has clear areas of support and resistance from this level here, this middle level here, and this upper level there. Yeah, so that is not much of concentration that we want to concentrate on the market. We just want to read the market structure and the market whatever it is presenting for us in this area here. Yeah, now in this area here, before we can come on the trade that I wanted to take, now we have the market was on a bullish momentum. You can see how the market was pushing high, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and finally we broke past this level here. Yeah, now after breaking below this level here is when we had the market pushing up to this resistance here before it finally dropped down to this area here. Yeah, now after the market had dropped to this area here, and then we were like consolidating in this area here for quite a long time, and after a consolidation we usually expect a breakout and then a trade continuation. Yeah, now after I'd seen this bullish, the market came up and came down with this bullish momentum, and it was still unable to break below this support floor. Yeah, now after I'd seen that, and then I came to this candlestick here. Now let me go to the 4 hour, and read what the market opportunity presented for me in the 4 hour, time frame. Yeah, in the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, now in the 4 hours time frame, I think the candlestick formation is wide enough for all of you to see. In the 4 hours time frame, we had this massive bearish power coming into the market, and it respected this support that I had in this level here. Yeah, so we had it consolidating there for the 4 hour candlestick once, twice, and thrice. Now it is from this level that I had already marked another zone which the market was consolidating in. Remember, we want to break this trade analysis bit slow by slow, bit by bit, until you get where you want to take this trade from. Yeah, so you can see how the market was in a bullish momentum. We have waited for a pullback. Remember, it is a higher high, higher low, and then we can continue with the trend continuation. Yeah, now after had seen this bullish engulfing candlestick, which had totally engulfed these two candlesticks here plus this one, and closed above this resistance that I had at that level there, is where I was interested at least to buy this market, the next area of resistance, which happened to be this upper resistance that I have here. If not this one, then I could also concentrate on this one here, the yellow line that had drawn there. Yeah, now after this massive bullish engulfing candlestick, we had a small, like a doji candlestick there, a doji 4 hour candlestick there, which was unable also to break past this support level, which was used as resistance, now which is being used as support. Yeah, now it is from there, I think, to the 1 hour is where I found an entry. The 1 hour is where I found a good entry, and I took the trade from the 1 hour. Yeah, now from the 1 hour, you can see here is where this market opportunity was presenting itself well for me to take it. Yeah, because we had like a double bottom presentation from this support floor here, and then after the market had broken the neck of the double bottom, a breakout, a retest, and then now it is from this candlestick here that I wanted to ride the trend continuation to this support, to this resistance. Yeah, Now after I was entered into the market and the market went into profit, I'm going to put a screenshot of the trader in my MT4. Do I have it? Let me see if I have the trade here with me. Let me see if I have the trade here with me, because I have my trading phone with me. Yeah, to my MT5. Now to my MT5. Okay, this is US30. Now let us go to the trade history. The trade history, or this is the okay guy. Oh my God, I've taken a trade. I've taken a trade accidentally, yeah. But then because I'm not allowed to close within 2 minutes, let me just leave it, and then I'm going to close. Yeah. Now last week. So on last week, this is the loss I took on a AUD card. The buy loss that I took. This is a 15K funded account with one of the funding pro firm. Yeah. So let me wait for 2 minutes, and then I can close this trade that I've taken accidentally on a GBP USD. Yeah, by accident. Now, so after I had seen that is where I entered the market, and the market was in like 1%, and then overnight it dropped down all the way and took me out. Yeah. Now after the market had taken me out, so what you can see there, sometimes you can have a good trading analysis in the market, everything looking nice, and then at the end of the day, you find yourself taking a loss in the market. Yeah, find yourself taking a loss in the market. So that is what happened exactly in that trading setup. Yeah. Now my accidentally taken trade is in a loss, but then let it hold. I don't want to quickly close it because I can violate their rules. Yeah, if I get into much drawdown, I can recover from it when I analyze the market well. Yeah. Now from after the market took me out, it had a small consolidation there. The market had been consolidating there, and now the market structure had totally turned from now being bullish to bearish. Yeah. So I was interested at this point. I was interested now in selling opportunities. Because we have broken this super support area. Because we had broken that super support area there. Now I waited for a breakout, a retest, and then it is from this breakout, this retest, and then after I had seen this candlestick, let me zoom it wide enough. Yeah. After this breakout, a retest, and then I usually wait for a trend continuation. Now, after I'd seen this bearish candle rejecting this area here, is when I entered the market after this candle close. After this candle close, I entered the market there, and it went straight to weaken me out before reversing to the direction that I wanted to trade to. Yeah. So I wanted to take this trade now, continuing downwards. So it stopped me out and then continued to the direction where I wanted to trade to the next area over to the next key area of maybe support and resistance. Yeah. So that is how it came at about somewhere here before reversing all the way and testing that level there, and then dropping all the way, and from there it is like consolidating. It is still in the same place. It has not moved quite much. Yeah. So those are the activities that took place, and that was how my analysis was good, but then now my entry was not good enough. Yeah. So I think if it was not for this small week here, now I think I could have made a decent profits in the market. Yeah. Now, apart from that pair, I was also looking to trade Now that is how this this is how AUD card trade went down. I think the analysis was in my Telegram. Let me try to share my Telegram first and see how this trade opportunity presented itself. Yeah. Okay. So apart from that trading idea, I also had other trading setups here for the Heistmasters, but this was the exact trade that I was talking about here. On AUD card, we have a nice break and retest at the neckline of the double bottom and the EMA waiting for the best confirmation on New York. If a valid setup will jump on it. So you can see how we had a solid double bottom there and the neckline of the double bottom was broken after I'd seen a breakout, a retest, and then we were now waiting to ride the market all the way, the trend continuation, because the market had already broken the neckline of the double bottom and the market was now below and rejecting the EMA, the moving average that we had in that area there, giving us a confirmation of our market is about to be bullish from being a bearish market. Yeah. Now about an hour for the new 4-hour candlestick. Let's see how the current one will close. But the setup has a wider stop loss, so risk management is key. Yeah. So the stop loss was wider because you don't limit your stop loss with small pips. The pips of your stop loss is, I can say, you put your stop loss where if the market comes to that place, then it means you are wrong in the market. Yeah. So this trade setup, our stop loss was below this double bottom structure. Yeah. So the risk management in this trade setup was wide. So that is why I told them risk management is key. Yeah. And other trading opportunities, GBP. Yeah. Now after taking those that 2% drawdown in the account, I never continued trading for the week. Yeah, because you'll be getting carried away with the with what the loss, and then it will affect the trade that will take from that uh, from that from that trading opportunity onwards. Yeah. Now apart from this AUD card, I was also looking to trade on GBP USD yesterday. So I had a good setup on a GBP USD yesterday, though it never came to my area of interest before I can take a trade. So quickly to explain what is on this trade or what is on this chart here. Yeah, let me go to the daily so that you can see it clear and properly. Yeah. Now, okay, let us close this trade because I don't want to be in a much a drawdown because it was by mistake. Is it past 2 minutes? Yeah, I think it is past 2 minutes, or we can just simply wait for some time before we can close it. So to be sure that the allowed time to take a trade has been covered before we can quickly jump to closing the trade. Yeah. Now, this was my trading analysis on GBP USD. You all know that I usually love trading this pair the most. Yeah. So trading GBP USD has been my favorite pair to trade for quite a long time. Yeah. So what you can see here, the Heistmasters, what you can see here, this GBP USD has been pushing up all the way for the longest. Yeah. So from the daily, we have this support. We have this support which has been used as resistance, and then we have this other level there, and then we have this other level there. Yeah. Now you can see we have. Let me mark for you. Let me mark for you from here. From let me come to this area here. So from there we have an higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we expect an higher low. We expect an higher low, and then an higher high. Now that is how the market usually operates. Yeah. Now that is what you can see from the bigger time frames. This is the 1 day, the daily time frame. Yeah. Now let us go to the 4 hour, to the 4 hours time frame. Now, to the 4 hours time frame, we want to concentrate on the market structure and the price action that we can see from this level here. Yeah. Now, from this level here, what we can see from this level is, let me try to widen it up. Yeah. So what we can see here first in the 4 hour, so the market has been bouncing in this area here. Remember, if the market is bullish in the daily, we want to look for trading opportunities that favors a buy. We want to trade with the trend. Yeah, so we don't want to be against the market trend in the market. Yeah, so we don't see much over information there. Let us go to the 1 hour and do our analysis there as I did it. Yeah, as I did it. Yeah. Now in the 1 hour, what you can see, we had this trend line, meaning this is a pullback. Remember, the market was pushing up. Now this is a trend line to the downwards. Yeah. This can be is it a bullish or a bearish flag when you have the trend line on the upper side and the lower side. Yeah. But then that is not to concentrate much on. I used it because now at this area here is where we had a breakout out of that trend line. Yeah. So after we had a breakout out of this trend line here, after we had a breakout out of that trend line there, remember, if the market is trending downwards, we usually have this, let me start from here, higher, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. And it is from this area here that we had a change of character, meaning the market structure has shifted from being bearish to now bullish. After we had seen the market breaking this the previous lower high, now that means this is a valid break of structure. Now we were much interested to take this trade. Yeah, now it is when I move into the 15 minutes, so that we can analyze it there properly. We do the Heistmasters there. Now this is the 15 minutes. After I had seen this change of character, remember we have taken out this I usually like referring to it as the trend line liquidity, as I usually trade it most of the time. Let me see if the trade now we can close it. Okay, we can close it. Now I usually like referring that line to my trend line liquidity. It has been broken out, confirming to us a valid break of structure. Yeah. Now after a valid break of structure, we want to look for areas in the market that we want the market to pull down to before we can build a case study of what we want to look for in the market before we can trade. Yeah. Now this is the last part which led to this massive shift of structure, meaning this is a strong area of demand in the market. Remember, the market usually moves from demand to supply and from supply to demand, or targeting liquidity in between. Market usually moves from this liquidity target to the next liquidity target. So this was my first demand area that I marked there as this zone here. Yeah, and then we're stretching my Fibonacci level from this. This is my fib. This is not a short or a long setup. So this is my fib level from the swing high to the swing low here, and the green part is usually a premium level, and the red side is a discount level. Remember, when you want to take a buy, you want to buy commodities with a discount or with the cheapest price possible in the market. Yeah, so you cannot buy the price of the market when it is at a premium. Yeah, so you want to sell with the highest price possible in the market. So that is why, in other terms, they usually say sell high and buy low. Yeah, so in order for me to participate in this trading setup, I wanted this market to at least pull to this my discount level before I was interested in taking a trade. Remember, by the time I'm coming to this trade setup, it was somewhere about this area here. It was about somewhere this area here. Yeah, so let me put my let me put my session indicator, which can guide me on where exactly this market was at before, yeah, so that I can be sure of what I'm telling you, my people. Yeah. So, and you already know how I usually trade how I usually trade a GBP USD. I look for the 5 key principles of taking a trade. That is accumulation, manipulation, and then I wait for a change of character, or we can call it initiation, before we can come down for a mitigation, and then you can enter from the mitigation with a sniper entry, and then target the next area of a break of structure before we can take the trade. Yeah, so that was the trade idea behind it. Now you can see this was a Sydney and a Tokyo session. At this area here is when I had my trading setup. This area here, this Sydney and Tokyo, those are Asian ranges. Yeah, now I was from these Asian ranges, I was waiting for this London. You can see this is now London. This is London here. This London, I usually wait it to manipulate the highs or the lows of the Asian session. Yeah, so I wanted this London at least to manipulate continuing downwards to either this level here, to this level here, or this demand before I can take a buy. Yeah, but then London kept on pushing upwards, and if this was the highest point where the market was from this swing low, from this swing high to the swing low, and then afterwards it break out, meaning this trade setup was invalidated. Now we have a new higher high waiting for the market to drop down to make a new higher low before we can continue now upwards. Yeah, so that was it where the market is. Yeah, this is a Sydney and Tokyo session. We have this we usually have this accumulation. After the accumulation, now this is London. I think now London is manipulating the lows. After we break these lows is where we can now target to buy upwards, but because today is NFP, I'm not interested with the buy, yeah, with the trade. So that is it for the week. And my breakfast is ready. Let me bring my breakfast here with me so that I can take my breakfast. Here we do the Heistmasters, and then we can call it a day. Yeah, so let me bring my breakfast.
Fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. Motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.